Today I'm going to explain how to add some additional bones to your rig and weight paint them without destroying what the old bones do. So let me show it here. So for example, I want to add some corrective bone which moves along the thigh. So I'll duplicate it, and here I will parent it to the thigh. So it moves together with the thigh bone. And the problem is when you try to weight paint this bone, I will go to object mode, select the armature, select the mesh, and switch to weight paint. So even I will hide the remaining bone to make the process a bit better. So even if this corrective bone in its rest position, when I try to weight paint, the mesh is changed. But I want to keep it non-destructive, so when the corrective bone is in its rest position, I want to see the same result without changes. I want to see some corrections only when the corrective bone is moved to some other location. And it's actually quite easy. So first of all, we need to normalize all weights. It's very important. Don't skip this step. And after that, we need to go here to Tool, to Options, and enable Auto Normalize. Then we need to choose which bone will be a donor. So from which bone we will take the weights. And in this case, it's obviously we need to select the parent of the corrective bone. So I will click the thigh bone with Alt, then Alt-Shift and select the corrective bone. So there are two bones selected from which I'm going to take weights and to which bone I'm going to assign weights. And then I go to Weights, Locks, and Lock Only Unselected. So all the bones except these two bones will be locked, and their weights cannot be redistributed. So it doesn't matter how strong I weight paint when I process this corrective bone, the weights from these bones will not be taken. But here, in the area of the thigh influence, I can take weights. And it's important that it's very safe. I can paint whatever I like, and the shape is not changed. So we isolate the effect of corrective bone. So the corrective bone which moves with the thigh bone doesn't change anything as long as it is in its rest position. So just for example, here I can weight paint something, and so I can correct this area. Yeah, I forgot about symmetry, so I can take the weights from the right part, but it's just because I forgot to disable symmetry. But anyway, I hope the idea is quite clear. We can take weights only from specific bone just to make the process less destructive and to isolate the effect of corrective bone.